how's it going? Sorry, it's been a hot minute since I actually uploaded a video. I've just been like so busy and I have not had time. Okay, maybe that's just an excuse, but still, I just felt like I had no time and it's been so cold, guys. It has been freezing, God. Lucky all the people that are currently in summer. Like, I wish it was summer here, but it's so cold. Anyways, so today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pretty much style my overgrown pixel hair. Pixie hair. Not pixel, not pixel, Pixie, yeah. So look, my hair has obviously grown way too long now. Look at it, guys. Like, it's like way too long. So pretty much, I don't want to cut it because it's cold. So pretty much this is how I've been styling it. And then next thing, then I go ahead and I use this banana conditioner. You guys have seen it probably in my previous videos talking about how I really like these. These have really helped with keeping my hair nice and like moisturized, because obviously it's like a nourishing product for like and hair food as well. So I use this like every day. So I go ahead and I get a little bit, put it on my hand, and I pretty much just do this. This is how I pretty much lay my side, guys. This is how I lay it all down. And because it's just a bit cold, I like to make sure it's nice and moisturized. So that's pretty much how I do it. This product is amazing, guys. Like, nicely plugged in. But look at it, it's so smooth because of the hair product that I've just put in. And look at it, look at how nice it is. And sometimes I would tie this, like I tie the sides down if I really want it to lay really flat. But sometimes, yeah, like today, I'm not gonna do that because I'm not going anywhere if I'm just literally just getting my hair nice and ready, just for like pretty much what I do every day. And this is what I do in the morning as well. So then I just go ahead and I use my finger, just get a bit like this, my hair straightener, and then I literally just curl it like that. And again. And I like to have a little fringe, so I pretty much get the front ones. Alright, so this is it here, guys. That's it. That's after I've curled the hair. Like, look at it, it's already looking nice. And then I just go in with this big comb, but normally I just like to use my fingers first, and then I like to just spread it out like this. Just using my fingers because I've realized that when you use a comb sometimes, and that's how I style my hair, guys. So that's pretty much how I literally style my hair, and this is how I wear it every day. But if I'm going out, I do the curls a lot more smaller because I want the curls to be quite defined. But at the moment, because of being winter, it gets really windy and it's like raining, so sometimes I will do my hair really nicely, and next thing, boom, it's like raining outside, so then you're pretty much, your hair is all ruined. But that's pretty much how I style my hair, guys. I hope you guys like this video. I'll be sharing a lot more videos with you guys, like I guess how I maintain it and keep it nice and thick as well. As you can see, it's quite like thick as well in the middle, so I'll be sharing with you guys some of the process, like how I wash it and how I keep my scalp nice and moisturized. Sometimes it's a bit like, but yeah, look out for those videos, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.